how to use this music player application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and once you have allowed access to your storage, we'll pretty much scan all the music on your device and we'll pretty much load up everything. As you can see here, I also have some online music which you can choose from as well, and these are just some of those music which you can choose from. Nothing much for those, but these are the offline music or music that's on your device. So here you can organize the music. Nothing much for that. You have the sound quality, you can improve that as well as it relates to this. Nothing much, but very basic application here, and you may encounter some ads while using it, so do keep that in mind. And at the top here you do have the playlist section where you can create your playlist, and as well your favorite song section and your latest added section and your recently played section. So you have the folder section here within your device. You can find wherever the song is located. You have the album section here for all your musics. You have the section here for all the songs or find out who sings the songs. You have the video section here, and that's it here. So nothing much for this application. Very easy to use, very straightforward, but I think quite enough decent amount of ads, I would say. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can help you out. So see you in the next one.